Today we're going to be using models to divide fractions by whole numbers. We're starting with 1/5 divided by 3. So if you look at this model, it's divided into 5 equal pieces. So I'm going to shade in one of them because the first part of our equation is 1/5. And I'm going to go ahead and label it. This is 1/5. And then we're dividing that fifth into 3 pieces. So I'm going to use dotted lines to show how I'm dividing that into 1, 2, 3 pieces. Now we want to know what is the size of those pieces that we're left with. So I'm going to shade in just one of those just to make it stand out a little bit more. So this is 1/5 divided by 3. Now just looking at this model, I can't really tell what is the size of the piece I'm left with, so I could continue to divide each fifth into 3 equal pieces. It's not perfect. Good enough. And then if I count up the total number of pieces, I've divided one whole into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 pieces. So 1/5 divided by 3 equals 1/15. Let's try another one. The equation is 1/4 divided by 2. So you can see that I have shaded 1/4 in blue, 1/4 of the whole blue, and then I've split it in half with that dotted line, and I want to know what is the size piece that I'm left with. Well, I can count up. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pieces. So 1/4 divided in half or divided into 2 equal pieces leaves me with 1/8. We can also use number lines to represent these equations. We're going to try 1/3 divided by 3. So I can see that between 0 and 1 there are 3 equal pieces, so that means that each one of these is worth 1/3. And if I split each of those into 3, we want to know what is the size of that piece we're left with. Well, I'm not really sure by looking at it, but if I continue to split up each of those thirds into 3 equal pieces, total I will have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 pieces between 0 and 1, meaning each of those is worth 1/9. So 1/3 divided by 3 equals 1/9. All right, your job is to look at this model and figure out the equation that matches. All right, last one to try. Use this number line model to figure out the equation that matches.